So yun po mga loves, na slice na po natin yung ating tuna. I'm done slicing my tuna fish. Now let's season with salt. Ayan. Let's add some ground black pepper or paminta. Let's add some ginger. Ayan po. Now let's add some seasoned vinegar or spicy vinegar. Then let's add some onions. I'm using red and yellow onions. Then now is our bell pepper. Let's add our tomatoes. Then let's squeeze some lemon. Lemon or calamansi. Super good. Yum.